Periods, menstruation, that time of the month. These are terms we all know, yet they often come with a sense of discomfort or embarrassment. Why is that? Why do we feel the need to use euphemisms or speak in hushed tones when discussing something so natural? We use so many different names, but why are we still whispering about it? Menstruation is a fundamental aspect of human biology, experienced by half the population. Yet the conversation around it is often filled with stigma and misinformation. Half the population experiences menstruation at some point in their lives. It's a natural biological process that signifies health and fertility. Despite this, many women feel isolated and ashamed when it comes to their periods. Yet it's often shrouded in secrecy, shame, and even disgust. This secrecy can lead to a lack of understanding and perpetuate myths and misconceptions. Women may feel they need to hide their menstrual products or avoid discussing their symptoms. This silence around menstruation has real consequences. It prevents girls and women from accessing accurate information. Without proper education, young girls may feel unprepared and scared when they get their first period. Women may not know how to manage their symptoms effectively. It leads to unnecessary embarrassment. This embarrassment can affect a woman's self-esteem and confidence. It can make her feel like she needs to hide a part of herself, leading to feelings of shame and inadequacy. It even stops us from seeking help when we need it. Many women suffer in silence with conditions like endometriosis or PCOS because they feel too embarrassed to talk about their symptoms. This can delay diagnosis and treatment, leading to unnecessary pain and suffering. It's time we change the conversation. Let's talk openly and honestly about periods. By normalizing the discussion, we can break down the barriers of shame and stigma. We can educate and empower women to understand their bodies and seek the help they need. Let's break the stigma and empower women to understand and manage their bodies with confidence. Together, we can create a world where menstruation is no longer a taboo topic, but a normal and accepted part of life. Periods are about more than just bleeding every month. They are a complex and integral part of a woman's life, affecting her physically, emotionally, and socially. They're a sign that our bodies are working as they should. A regular menstrual cycle is often an indicator of good health and well-being. It means that the body is functioning properly, and the reproductive system is in sync. Menstruation is part of the reproductive cycle. It involves the shedding of the uterine lining, which prepares the body for a potential pregnancy each month. This cycle is a natural and essential process for reproduction. It allows for the possibility of pregnancy. Without menstruation, the body would not be able to support the development of a new life. This is why understanding and managing menstrual health is crucial for women who are planning to conceive. But periods can also come with challenges. Many women face physical discomfort and emotional stress during their menstrual cycle. These challenges can vary from mild to severe, impacting daily activities and overall quality of life. Many women experience uncomfortable symptoms like cramps, bloating, and mood swings. These symptoms are caused by hormonal changes and can be managed with proper care and attention. However, they can still be quite disruptive. These symptoms can disrupt our daily lives, making it difficult to go to school, work, or participate in activities we enjoy. The impact of these symptoms can be profound, leading to missed opportunities and decreased productivity. Furthermore, access to menstrual hygiene products and information is not equal around the world. In many places, women and girls struggle to find affordable and effective menstrual products, which can lead to health issues and social stigma. This lack of access can have serious consequences for girls' education, health, and overall well-being. When girls miss school due to their periods, they fall behind in their studies, which can affect their future opportunities. We need to address these inequalities and ensure that all women have the resources they need to manage their periods safely and with dignity. By providing education, affordable products, and support, we can help women lead healthier and more empowered lives. Let's face it, periods can be uncomfortable. The cramps, the bloating, the mood swings, it can all feel overwhelming at times. But the good news is, there are several strategies you can adopt to make this time of the month more bearable. But there are things we can do to ease the discomfort and feel better during that time of the month. It's all about finding what works best for you and incorporating small changes into your routine. Exercise might be the last thing you feel like doing, but even gentle movement can help reduce cramps. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural painkillers and mood elevators. So, while it might seem counterintuitive, getting your body moving can actually make you feel better. Try going for a walk, doing some yoga, or stretching. These activities are low impact and can be done at your own pace, making them perfect for those days when you're not feeling your best. Heat therapy can also work wonders for cramps. The warmth helps to relax the muscles in your uterus, which can reduce the pain. Apply a heating pad or hot water bottle to your abdomen for soothing relief. You can also try a warm bath to help ease the discomfort, and don't underestimate the power of staying hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for your overall health, but it can be especially beneficial during your period. Drinking plenty of water can help reduce bloating and regulate your mood. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and consider adding some herbal teas to your routine for added benefits. Lastly, pay attention to your diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help manage your symptoms. Avoiding excessive caffeine and salty foods can also make a big difference. Incorporating relaxation techniques like meditation and deep breathing can also help manage stress and improve your overall well-being. Remember, it's all about taking care of yourself and finding what works best for you. Maintaining good menstrual hygiene is essential for our health and comfort. First and foremost, change your pad or tampon regularly. How often you need to change depends on your flow, but generally, every 4 to 8 hours is a good rule of thumb. When you're on your period, it's also a good idea to wash your genital area with mild, unscented soap and water twice a day. Avoid douching, as it can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria in your vagina. And don't forget to wash your hands before and after changing your pad or tampon. There are so many myths and misconceptions surrounding menstruation. It's time to set the record straight. No, you can't lose your tampon inside of you. The opening to your cervix is too small for that to happen. And no, your period doesn't make you dirty or impure. Menstruation is a natural bodily function, just like going to the bathroom or sweating. Let's stop spreading misinformation and start promoting accurate information about periods. When it comes to managing your period, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Every woman's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different types of menstrual products to find what feels most comfortable for you. Pads, tampons, menstrual cups, and period underwear are all viable options. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to seek advice from your doctor if you're having any issues. We need to change the way we talk about periods. We need to normalize the conversation and make it okay to talk about menstruation openly and without shame. Imagine a world where girls don't feel afraid to ask questions about their bodies. Imagine a world where women don't have to miss school or work because of period pain. Imagine a world where access to menstrual hygiene products is a right, not a privilege. Breaking the stigma surrounding menstruation is a collective effort. It requires all of us to speak up, share our experiences, and challenge harmful stereotypes. Talk to your friends, family, and partners about periods. Educate yourself and others about menstrual health. Support organizations that are working to improve menstrual hygiene management around the world. Together, we can create a world where periods are no longer seen as taboo, but as a normal and healthy part of being a woman.